Over 220 million of us use the internet. It's where we get news, listen to music, keep tabs on our favorite sports teams, watch videos, shop, and network with our friends. The challenge is the several billion pages you have to search through to get to the information and stuff you want. Google, Yahoo, and Bing have made it a little easier.
But we still end up with multiple bookmarks and more than one web browser open.
Well, not anymore. Welcome to the internet as it should be with the Blastoff Network. The Blastoff Network from Prepaid Legal Services is the free, fun, and easy way for you to make the most of your online experience. Blastoff isn't a new website to join. It's your personal launchpad to the internet. A personal homepage which can be customized with your favorite news, sports, finance, weather, and entertainment. From the biggest names like CNN, ESPN, Forbes, TMZ, and more. Plus, all your social networks, games, music, and video, all in one place. It's multitasking at its best. When you're ready to connect with your friends and contacts through your Facebook and Twitter accounts, they're all live and in real time right here on your homepage. Missed last night's episode of The Office? No worries, you can watch it directly from your homepage. Bored of solitaire? As a member, you get hundreds of games to choose from, even classics like Frogger and Donkey Kong. Everything you like, all right here on your Blastoff page. And when you get ready to shop, that's where it really gets good. As a Blastoff member, you get cash back on every purchase you make from 400 of the biggest retailers online. And on top of that, Blastoff acts as your personal shopping assistant. For all of your favorite retailers you shop at most, Blastoff searches the internet and finds the best deals, specials, and those hard-to-find promotion codes for you. Bet your normal web browser doesn't do that. You even get paid on service purchases, wireless services, home services, travel. Every time you buy or order these services, you get paid. Now here's a handy tip for you. 50% of US online retail purchases are travel. That's right. Anytime you book a trip or hotel stay through these companies, money goes right back into your pocket. And best of all, when you share the love and invite your friends to join and they shop via Blastoff, you earn money on their purchases too. No joke, it's that easy to save and make money. And did we mention it's free? This is the making of a viral explosion. All you have to do is spread the word to your contacts and you can make money on their purchases and their friends' purchases up to 10 degrees from yourself. Still can't believe it? Okay, let's say you just purchased the new digital camera from Best Buy, through your Blastoff site of course, and you post how great it is and upload some of the pictures you've taken with it to your Facebook and your Twitter accounts. Your friends read it, and a few reply that they've been looking to buy a new camera as well. They take your recommendation, link back to Blastoff, and purchase it online. And, wait for it, you just made money. The Blastoff Network makes social networking even more fun than it already is, and it puts you in front of this mega trend so you can harness the power of the internet to earn money. Author Adam Pinnenberg writes in his new book titled Viral Loop, users create value through their actions in the social media and the time they spend doing what they enjoy. Why not put some of that value you're creating back in your pocket? Most of us are aware of trends, but what most people have wrong about trends is that they aren't all here today and gone tomorrow. PCs, online retail, and social networking all were considered a trend at one time, and I think we can all agree that they're here to stay. Trends are also moneymakers, but to make money, you have to stay ahead of the trend, not behind the curve. Life is all about timing, and the Blastoff Network through Prepaid Legal is an opportunity unlike anything that's come before, and you are at the right place at the right time. There's no risk involved, only money to be saved and made, but only if you act now. The Blastoff Network through Prepaid Legal Services is a free, fun, and easy way to save, and oh yeah, make money. Go to the URL address provided by the person who shared this with you and join now. Don't just stand there and watch another trend make somebody else money. Log on and blast off. Your countdown to cash starts now.